In Blender, go to Preferences and enable Extra Object Add-on. Now add a wall factory and increase the scale. Now go to Edit Mode and scale the visual bricks so that they are close to each other. Now come out of Edit Mode and add a bevel modifier and apply the bevel modifier. Add a simple deform modifier and bend the wall in Z direction with an angle of 365 degrees. You can adjust the angle later. Now add a array modifier and increase the number in Z direction. Now for the top, add another wall factory and enable the crease option and follow the previous steps. Also add some textures by UV unwrapping the model. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more such videos and tutorials. And now enjoy the video.